Hello everyone, this is Jeff Jones. I am a spokesman for the StreamMachines.com and the Boxman.com, where we have changed the way you should watch TV. This is our Stream Machines YouTube channel. Stream Machines YouTube channel takes the difficult things of streaming and makes them easy for you, one video at a time. And in this video, we're going to take a look at the backup and restore functionality on the new Formuler Z11 Pro Max. Hey, don't keep me a secret. If you like this content, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon, as we will come with more videos. Now, if you didn't know, this device comes with a great function called backup and restore. The reason why you would want to use this function is simply to get your settings. Like when you set up your unit and something happens and you have to restore it or reset it to factory reset function or default settings, you lose everything. With the backup and restore functionality, you can take a thumb drive and back up the settings that are currently on this device right now. And that way, if something happened in the future, you plug that thing in the right-hand side of the device and go to the restore function, and it will do that right away. What we're going to do is go right into that right now. Stay tuned. All right, here we are in the settings part of the device. Now, there's Android settings, and then there's these box settings here. We are in the actual media box settings that handle different things. So there's a couple things you want to change. One of the things while we're here, you want to change if you speak English, change the menu language to English. If you want subtitles on, pick the language that you want the subtitles on, okay? The next thing, closed captions. If you need those, you can turn those on for our hearing impaired. This is one of the things I love about these devices. They care about every streamer, even the hearing impaired. It's not their fault, but you can go ahead and turn that on if you need it, turn it off if you don't. Audio language is English. OSD timeout, I always put it 10 seconds. I like my classic style or classic list style classic. I don't like the normal style. I prefer classic. You can mess around with that and see which one you like. I put my playback limit to an hour. I always have on-screen help. Notification pop-ups are good. That'll be in the next video. Player options, you can have default players. So you have a default player if you have a VOD. I have a default player that comes with it, but I also installed the VLC. I like the way that plays better, so I make that my default player. I turn all these on, and we keep going on these options. So you'll go right down to here, backup and restore options. It says to the right, backup and restore your settings and favorite list to external storage. I apologize. I'm in my garage, and my dogs are barking. If you hear them, I apologize. But now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this and press OK. Now, I'm going to go ahead and back up your data, preferences, and settings to an external drive. Now, if you want to first, before we do that, you want to check to make sure your external drive is active. To do that, go to DVR options and press OK. This unit has something called time shift, and I'll explain what that is. All Formuler units have it, but you need to have a USB. So your recording storage, because this does record live TV shows, or live TV content, my USB is there. It recognized my USB, and that's how you know it's in there. All right. So to back this up, what you're going to do is press OK on this, and then press OK on the backup. It says backup data now. Press OK. Now, from what I'm told, it's already done. The backup is already done with the settings. Now, you can't, for instance, you can't back something up and use these settings on a different unit. That's not how Formuler units work. How they work is it's specific to the serial number or ID number on your device. So you can't just back up any other settings and give them away like you're reselling them. That's not what it's for. It's specific to the ID number of your device. So if you look at it that way when you lose something that you backed up or have to restart, having this functionality where you can stick this thumb drive in the side of your device, come back here, and instead of clicking backup, you would click restore. So this way you restore your backup data from the thumb drive that you just did it on back to the device, and it'll work. That is the backup and restore functionality on your device. I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. It's very short. I just want to make these short, quick videos about the Formuler Z11 Pro Max. Now, all formulas are the same, but then they're not. This Z11 Pro Max is really for someone that loves to stream. They have one or more different external services that they can put on here. If you are a novice streamer, you don't want to purchase this unit. You don't do yourself or this unit any good. What you want to do is call us up or text us or get in touch with us. I have plenty of easy-to-use Formuler units to get you started, and we can grow if you let us know what you use with that. All right? So with that in mind, what I'm going to do is go back to the home page, and I'm going to thank you for your time on this video. Hey, if you're interested in these devices, I do have them for sale. They're kind of up there in price, but it is Christmas. So if you have a unit you might want to trade in or you want to talk about it, hey, give us a call, text us, and when we're available, we'll get back to you. And let's make a deal. I have 18 of these left, and I kept one for myself. I just sold another one. So if you're interested, don't forget to definitely hit us up and let us know. Also, if you're looking for a very easy-to-use, affordable device, text us. We got plenty of devices for Christmas. You might get a great Christmas deal. We'll see you in the next video.